Hi friends, today I am going to my potato farm to collect fresh potatoes for cooking delicious recipe. Wow, these potatoes look so nice and fresh. These potatoes are best for my delicious recipe. My potato collection is done. Now I'll go home and I will wash and cut them to prepare for cooking. They are almost done to cutting. Now after washing them, they are ready to start cooking. Friends, do you cook your own food? Let me know in the comment. Wow, it's almost ready. I can smell the delicious aroma of this food. I hope it tastes delicious. What do you think, friends? I think now it's ready to eat. Wow, it was exactly as I thought. It was very tasty and delicious. Friends, thanks for watching. Friends, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.